going to talk about a stock that's reached a 10-year low. Yes, but before I give you the stock name, let me give you some quick facts of the company to see whether you can guess it correctly or not. Trading at a cheap 12 times P ratio and has a large presence in Thailand. Yes, you guessed it correctly. The company is none other than Thai Beverage. Watch until so at the time of this video, it is currently a blue chip stock inside the STI index. At the end of the video to find out if it is a bargain or a value trap. Let's go. But before we dive into the bulls and the bears case of the company, we need to understand about the business segments first. Right, so from the picture here, we can see that there are four main business segments, namely spirits, beers, non-alcoholic, and food. Okay, and spirits itself definitely have the highest margins because it contributes the bulk of the overall net profits, despite having the same sales revenue as the beer segment. Next, there's also a fifth one, okay, which the company packet as associate companies. So this last segment itself contributes to around $2.5 million of profits, over 10% of attributable profits. So what is this associate companies all about? Okay, so this is what I got from the annual report. Associates, right, are companies like FNN, Saigon, something something beer, and more. But that being said, right, okay, so spirits is probably the one that we should watch out for, given that it commands over 90% of net profits if we exclude the associates profit segment. But why cover Thai Beverage and why now? You have heard of it, right? Heard of the news? The Thai government has approved the tax cuts on booze recently in January 2024. Okay, this is to boost the tourism in Thailand, meaning more Singaporeans like us will go over there to party late at night. And specifically, okay, taxes on the wine will be reduced from 10% to 5%, and on spirits, okay, so this is the Thai beverage largest segment, from 10% to 0%. Definitely it will help in Thai beverage, bottom line. Additionally, okay, a tourism boost because of this cut in taxes will also spur consumption, okay, and revitalize Thai beverage sales. So with that, let's take a look at the bull case now. Thai Beverage commands a dominant position in the local spirits market, holding a sales volume share of over 90%. Notably, alright, the with flagship brands like Mac Hong and Sang right, it reported a 5% year-on-year increase for their revenue in 2023, last year. Right, this is further complemented by a strong beer market share of 35 to 40% in both Thailand and Vietnam. In other words, Thai Beverage does have a strong presence in the markets of their main stable of products. Next, like what I shared, right, the share price of Thai Beverage has fallen to 10-year low, and its core forward PE in the year 2024 is 11.5 times, one of the lowest as compared to spirit or the beer competitors, with companies like Carlsberg trading at 16 times and Heineken Malaysia trading at 17 times. So Thai Beverage of around 11 times is one of the cheapest here. Next, looking at the average 1-year analyst target price, it is a good 33.7% potential upside from here. And last but not least, we should not forget that Thai Beverage is in kind of a mature and defensive industry, so the F&B industry, right? Hence, as we can see from the picture here, it is able to pay out constant dividends over the past few years. Okay, and because of the share price decline, it is offering a 4% dividend yield and may also increase going forward if the earnings pick up again due to the government tax cuts. By the way, if you love the visualization charts I've just shown you, they're actually from this platform called Simply Wall Street. I personally love to use this platform for stock analysis, given how they can consolidate all the nitty-gritty numbers and turn them into beautiful visualizations. And they got an amazing 4.4 star rating from Trustpilot, and the subscription fee is very low as well, starting from only $10 per month. If you do your own stock research, then I highly recommend you to utilize this platform to save a lot of time and to spot the trends, right, during your stock analysis process. You can click the affiliate link here or in the comment down below to support my YouTube journey. I'm currently on the unlimited plan because I believe that just one good stock pick can justify the subscription cost already. Okay, coming back, let's talk about the flip side. From what we can see here, okay, this is the past performance of Thai Beverage. Their revenue and profits have been sidelining for the past decade, past 10 years, And even though revenue has gone up since 2019, it has been hit by shrinking margins in recent years due to the global competition by major beer companies, as well as a slower than expected economic recovery in both Thailand and Vietnam, their two biggest countries. And balance sheet wise, it is also not very strong with a 83.8% debt to equity ratio. And if you think about it, the debt is more than 7 times of the net profits. Anyway, so the debt shot up probably due to the acquisition of Vietnam Saigon beer in 2018. So that's why you see a spike up over there. Here's my take, right? So a quick look at first quarter 2024 further confirmed my suspicions that growth is stalling for the company and I can't really see any fast growth avenues from Thai Beverage. So yeah, it's more like a near-term rebound because the share price has gone down so low. It's poised for a rebound if possible. But other than that, I don't think it is a quality dividend stock because the dividends, although the dividend yield is currently sitting at 4%, it may be affected when earnings are impacted by the stiff competition and we won't know what happens or if it's affected by the macro economy as well. Speaking of which, there's this one stock I recently added to our Patreon membership. This stock has a monopoly in Singapore, offers a 4+% dividend yield, and has been growing the revenue and profits by double digits. And if you are keen to find out more about this dividend darling and the whole dividend portfolio I'm currently sharing with my members, you can join us, okay, by clicking the link down here or in the pinned comment down below. With that, if you enjoy our video, smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ring the bell so you never miss another video that can make you rich. Next up, if you have another few minutes to spare, check out my next video here as well. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching and ciao.